It's critical for cat owners to monitor their feline companion's bladder health. Your cat's urinary system should be in good working order, and a healthy bladder can help prevent future health issues. How can you tell if a cat's bladder is full? What are some frequent bladder issues in cats? This article will address these issues and provide advice on how to preserve the bladder health of your cat. Checking the size of your cat's bladder. Just caressing your cat's lower abdomen will reveal whether or not their bladder is full. To do this, place your hand beneath their tummy and feel for a small, firm lump just above the pelvis. If this lump, which is a representation of their bladder, feels full and round, they should urinate. You won't encounter any resistance and the bladder of your cat will be malleable and mushy if it is empty. But, if your cat's bladder is constantly full and they are having trouble peeing, this could be an indication of a bladder issue. Cats with bladder issues. Several bladder illnesses that cats may encounter can be uncomfortable and, if addressed, may result in major health problems. The following are some of the most typical cat bladder issues. 1. Urinary tract infection. UTI. A UTI is a bacterial infection of the bladder and urinary system. It can be difficult and embarrassing to urinate, and if left untreated, it can cause serious health problems. 2. Bladder stones are mineral deposits that develop in the bladder. In severe circumstances, they can result in pain, an obstruction in the urinary system, and challenges urinating. 3. Feline lower urinary tract disorder, FLUTD. This term refers to a number of urinary system problems that cats frequently have. Urinary problems, pee with blood in it, and frequent urination are further signs. 4. Incontinence. Incontinence is the inability to control one's bladder and can be brought on by aging, disease, or an accident. It's imperative to take care of the situation right away because waiting could lead to your cat tripping and experiencing discomfort. Tips for managing the health of your cat's bladder. Here are some suggestions to promote the bladder health of your cat because prevention is typically the best course of action. 1. Promote hydration. Make sure your cat has constant access to plenty of clean water. Try giving your cat wet food or blending water into their dry food if they are fussy eaters to enhance their fluid intake. 2. Keep the litter box tidy. Your cat may experience bladder issues if the litter box is unclean. Make sure to scoop the litter box at least once each day and to totally replace the litter once a week. 3. Pay attention to what your cat is doing. Keep an eye out for symptoms of bladder issues in your cat, such as frequent urination or trouble urinating. Make an appointment with your veterinarian if you observe any changes in your cat's behavior. 4. Make regular appointments with your veterinarian. This will help detect bladder problems in cats early and stop more serious health problems from developing. To preserve your cat's bladder health, your vet may also suggest a diet and activity program. Conclusion. Our cat's general health and welfare depend on a functioning bladder. Follow the above recommendations and keep an eye on your cat's health on a regular basis to help prevent bladder issues and make sure your furry companion is happy and healthy. If you see any signs of bladder problems, you can contact your veterinarian.